Hi everyone, myself Uday Kumar. In this video, I am going to explain about spike testing, how to do spike testing using JMeter. So in order to do spike test, so you need to add a plugin called Ultimate Thread Group. So before you are adding Ultimate Thread Group, let me explain what is spike test. Spike is nothing but in the name itself, we are knowing that suddenly something is going high, like maybe we can call it as spike. So in real time, whenever a application released to production, there is a possibility to spike user load. Maybe for example, if you take e-commerce application, so maybe someday if somebody give any offers or something like that, so during that festive season or whatever, so user load will be little high when compared with normal day. So in that case we'll do a spike test. So let's get started with the procedure, guys, in JMeter. So let me add ultimate thread group. Okay, so here I have added ultimate thread group. So first of all, you need to have a scenario where you can create a spike testing model. So let me give an example. I want to do load test with I have around 200 users. I want to test with 200 users, whereas initially I need to start with 150, then I need to increase 25 more users after some time, then I need to run for some time, then I need to add remaining 25 users and run for a couple of duration. Nothing but I am incrementing gradually. So how can we do that? Let's get started. So here I have added ultimate thread group. So as I told you, first I will start with 150 users. For example, let me add, okay, 150 users here. So just I'm giving some ramp up time. This is startup time is called ramp up. So in how many seconds I'm ramping up this 150 users is, let's assume each user taking 9 seconds, then 150 users into 9 seconds, that is around 1350. Okay, so 1350, I'm ramping up, and then I'm holding it. So I want to hold my whole total test duration for 40 minutes. In that case, I'm giving 40 minutes into 60. That is nothing but 2400 seconds. Okay. So I want to ramp up all my 200 users in 10 minutes. That is nothing but 600 seconds. So this is first pattern. Okay. So you can see what I am doing is I want to ramp up 25 more users after running 10 minutes of this 150 users. If 150 users ran for 10 minutes, I need to ramp up 25 more users, and then the 175 users should run for remaining 10 users, like that. So let me add 25 more users. So here I'm adding 25 more users, but I want to ramp up this 25 users after 10 minutes of the study period of this 150 users. So how can I do that? So initially I need to wait for this 25 users should wait for 1350. That is nothing but some time. And also in whole time also, I need to wait this 25 users 10 more minutes. That is nothing but 1350 plus 10 minutes means around 1950 seconds. 1950. I'm waiting them. So these 25 users are waiting till this time, and I'm ramping up slowly. That is nothing but 9 seconds each user means 25 into 9. That is nothing but 225. Okay. So now hold time. How much hold time you need to give? Here I have 40 minutes. Out of 45 minutes, I'm deleting this time and that time. For example, let me open calculator, and then I have total study period of 40 minutes minus 1950 equal to 450. Sorry. So I have total 40 minutes duration, out of which already users are waited till 1350. So you are just included 600 more here. So you need to minus 600 here. Then it is 1800, and you need to minus this count as well. You are gradually ramping up 25 users, right? So you need to minus this amount as well. That is nothing but 225. The total sum is now 1575. So here 1575, and again you are adding same ramp down, that is 10 minutes. Okay, so see here I have ramped up 150 users in some time, that is nothing but 20 minutes, 21 minutes. After running like 10 minutes of this 150 user load, I'm gradually ramping up 24 more users in 225 seconds. Then remaining users will running this much time. So in this time, I want to ramp up 25 remaining 25 users, and then they need to run for some time. So how can we do that? So I'm adding another row, and I am adding this 25 remaining users. And now how much you can give? That is nothing but here 1950 is already waiting time. So let me calculate this. 1950 is waiting time plus 225 plus 600. So 2775, nothing but this is already a wait time. You need to wait this much time, and also you need to wait for 10 more minutes, right? These users, these 175 users will run for 10 more minutes till this time maybe. So if you want to wait till that time, you need to add 600 seconds here. Total 2775, and then I'm adding, I'm ramping up with some delay, that is nothing but 225. Each user in 9 seconds, that is 225 into 9, 225. And then here hold, just think how much hold time you can give. So you have total, let me give. So total you have here 1575 study period, 1575, out of which you have added 600 seconds here, just minus 600 here. This is nothing but 975. So you have added 600 here, and you are adding some more time, 225. So you need to minus this also. 225 equal to 750. So remaining time is 750. 750 seconds, and then 600 seconds is my ramp down. So here see, total now you got the pattern. So here initially I'm ramping up 150 users in 1350 seconds. Then the 150 users will run for 10 minutes. So here you see 10 minutes the duration. And then I'm slowly gradually ramping up 25 more users in 225 seconds. Then here the total user load will be, you can see 175 around. So 175 users will run for 10 more minutes. So, and then I'm adding remaining 25 users in 225 seconds. And here the total load will be 200. See. Okay. 200 around. So 200, and total 200 will run for 10 more minutes. You can decrease if you want to exactly 10 minutes to run. Here you can add that time as well. But I gave 750 seconds, and slowly I'm gradually ramping down all 200 users. So this is nothing but spike test, guys. Whenever a client give you a requirement that you need to know the response time when 150 users are running, when 175 users are running, and also 200 users. So this is nothing but spike test, and you can design like this. And if please comment me if anything you have doubts in this video, and I'm free to help you guys. And thank you. Thanks for watching.